Got a KCF file from a fellow Kerbal engineer and want to launch the rocket? This format saves complete spacecraft designs for sharing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with KSP craft files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading KCF file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. A KCF file is a saved vehicle or craft design from the popular spaceflight simulation game, Kerbal Space Program. Players create these files to save their custom-built rockets, planes, and rovers. The primary user intent is to save their progress, share their unique designs with the community, or download and import crafts made by other players. The KCF file is a plain text file using a proprietary human-readable key-value pair structure. This text-based design was chosen to make the files easily editable by players for tweaking parameters, a practice known as part clipping or cheating, and to facilitate simple sharing and version control within the game's modding community. The native handler for KCF files is usually Kerbal Space Program from Squad. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows shows only limited details, so accessing these files depends on the engine or compatible modding utilities. We're checking the integrity of the format. Right-click your KCF file and click Open With. If Kerbal Space Program is installed, start there. If it's not, try another option. The solution is usually hidden within one of your apps. If the KCF file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Since the initial attempt failed, the issue is now narrowed to 3 key areas. Here is a simple list of the most frequent errors and how you can verify each one immediately. First, loading in KSP. Place KCF files in the appropriate ship subfolder within your KSP installation, typically in the saves directory. Launch Kerbal Space Program and access the craft from the vehicle assembly building or space plane hangar. The complete design loads, ready for launch missions or further modification. Next, editing as text. Open KCF files in any text editor like Notepad++ to inspect or modify craft details. The structured text shows part references, positions, and configuration values. Direct editing enables quick adjustments, though most modifications are easier through the in-game editor's visual interface. Finally, sharing with community. Share KCF files through KerbalX KSP forums or Reddit communities dedicated to spacecraft sharing. Include screenshots and descriptions explaining design purpose and operation. Recipients can launch your designs and provide feedback or build upon your concepts with their own modifications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.